My roof is finally finished. New roof all the way across the top. Flat and the tile work. Glad to get that out of the way. Putting a roof on your house is the most expensive repair you're going to have. Unless you have a pool. I have a pool. 15 feet by 30 feet, 6-foot depth maximum at one end. That pool is over 60 years old. If that pool was to crack open, to replace that pool would be more than this roof. Putting in a new pool would probably begin at $50,000. I wouldn't do it. If this pool cracked open, I would have people come out, I wouldn't try to attempt it myself, knock off the coping around the pool so it's flat, fill it in with dirt. Have them bring truckloads of dirt, fill that pool in if I can legally do it. And then I'll put a patio over it or just put grass. And then what I'd have for a pool, I would buy an expensive hot tub and keep it out there instead of building an entire new pool. But other than that pool cracking open and being destroyed, getting a new roof is the most expensive repair you're going to do on a house.